సార్ ఇప్పుడు లేవాడు, నువ్వు ఎంత చేసావు? సార్ ఇప్పుడు పడుకొని ఉంటాడు, అందుకని నేను చేయట్లేదు.
Good morning, sir. And my dear
Good morning,
students,
sir.
very good morning. Yeah. Shall we wait for more minutes, sir? Still joining?
Yeah, sir, just 5 minutes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, you can start, sir.
Yeah. Good morning, my dear students. Today I would like to discuss about the cyber security modules. So far we have completed introduction to cyber security, Python programming, computer networks, cloud computing, information security and network security, cryptography, application security. 8 modules we have completed so far, and 4 modules are there. So please listen. Various modules consist of again various topics to aid application security. So So in introduction to cyber security module, 11 concepts, fundamentals and components, workflow, fundamentals of information security. So threats, attacks, categories and hacking, cyber security controls, introduction to network security, introduction to IDM, identity and access management, introduction to cyber forensics, introduction to application security, introduction to data center, cloud security. That is the introduction to cyber security. If you see in Python programming, so in this batch, no new student is there or not, sir, in this batch?
No, sir, they will join at 12 p.m.
Okay. So I need to start Python programming for them. And we have explained computer network 7 layers. And today I am going to explain cloud computing concepts. Please listen carefully up to 12 o'clock. From there I can start Python programming with practicals with the new students. Okay. So in cloud computing is a form of distributed computing. Cloud computing is a pay and use technology. Cloud is internet-based technology. And introduction to cloud computing, I am going to explain various important concepts and important points about cloud computing, followed by the characteristics of cloud computing, types of cloud, services of cloud computing, cloud architecture, virtualization, cloud security, and followed by the case study. Software as a service cloud is the number one under Salesforce.com. Case study, platform as a service, it's the number one cloud. Is MS-Azure. Case study, infrastructure as a service, Amazon cloud. I am going to explain all the 10 topics in this cloud computing. You can see the so these, please carefully listen. 4th module, introduction to cloud computing. So cloud computing is a model for enabling ubiquitous, means everywhere present technology. So model is nothing but simplified version of the reality. So cloud computing is a model for enabling ubiquitous, convenient, on-demand network access through the internet to a shared pool of configurable computing resources such as networks, servers, storage, applications and services that can be rapidly provisioned and released with minimal management effort to service provider interaction is called cloud computing. Now see, to a shared pool of configurable computing resources means network, servers, storage, applications and services that can be rapidly provisioned and released with minimal management effort or service provider interaction is called cloud computing. According to National Institute of Science and Technology USA, they have given the beautiful definition about cloud computing. So cloud computing is a internet-based computing. Without internet, we cannot perform any kind of application. Cloud derived from depiction in network diagrams like TCP/IP, transmission control protocol, or internet protocol. So cloud is an internet-based development of applications and services. Cloud computing is a multi-tenant architecture, means multiple users are connected to the cloud. Each tenant connected with the laptop, mobile, and PDA, server, system, desktop, laptop, etc. Cloud computing is a multi-tenant architecture. Multi-tenant means multiple users. Multi-tenants means multiple users are connected to that cloud. Cloud computing is a 5-4-3 formula, 5 characteristics, 4 infrastructure models, 3 major services. That is called the 5-4-3 formula. Cloud computing is a form of distributed computing. That means, distributed computing, all the servers are located at Bombay, Chennai, Madras, or some Kolkata locations. We are accessing the 3 types of services and 4 infrastructure model, the 5 characteristics. The heart of cloud computing is data center and virtualization. Data center is nothing but collection of 5 integrated servers at one place is called data center. Virtualization is a technology. Virtualization is the ability to perform multiple tasks in a single system. That is called virtualization. With the help of VMware, hypervisor, Xen, virtual IRA, we are creating number of virtual machines. So cloud computing characteristics are 5 and 3 services. 5 characteristics are OBR square M. O stands for on-demand computing, B stands for broad network access, and R stands for resource pooling, and one more R stands for rapid elasticity. These are the 5 important characteristics and 3 major services. SPA, Software as a Service Cloud, Platform as a Service Cloud, Infrastructure as a Service Cloud. These are the three important services of cloud computing. So O stands for on-demand computing means pay and use technologies. B stands for broad network access means everywhere presented technology. Broad network, 24/7 service is available. R square, R means resource pooling. All services at one place is called the resource pooling. Rapid elasticity means number of users are increasing. That means automatically data center also increases. And the last one is measured service. How much service consumption you are performing, that much amount you need to pay. That is called measured service. And 3 services such as software as a service. Sir, I don't have a software in my laptop, but I want to take license from the IBM for DB2. Yes, you can subscribe and make it subscription for that software called IBM DB2 software. Then platform as a service cloud. Sir, I don't have .NET platform, but I want to utilize .NET platform for web application development. So better I can subscribe and make sure that I am getting service from the .NET from Microsoft company that comes under platform as a service cloud, PaaS. Then the last one is a infrastructure as a service, IaaS. Sir, in my laptop I don't have 1 terabytes of space. I am taking license from the Amazon cloud. They are providing EC2 and S3. So like that I am requesting, and after paying amount I am getting the service from the Amazon cloud. These are the 5 characteristics and 3 major services. See those 5 characteristics. On-demand self-service means pay and use, how much
మనం మళ్ళీ
service
చేంజ్ చేసాం కానీ
consumption you
కాలేదు
have
అన్నమాట.
done.
అట్లనే వస్తుంది.
So you need to pay
యూజర్ నేమ్ సెండ్ చేయాలంటారా?
amount for that online demand, on demand service. Broad network access means
ఇప్పుడు చూస్తే కాల్ చేస్తే
anywhere,
డెస్క్టాప్
anytime,
యాడ్ చేస్తాం.
24/7 we can access the service. Resource pooling. All types of services at one place is called resource pooling. Rapid elasticity means number of users are increasing automatically, the data center also increases. Assured service, how much service consumption you are doing, that much amount you need to pay. That is called, fifth one is measured service. Then infrastructure models or deployment models. Types of clouds. A cloud deployment model is defined according to where the infrastructure for the deployment resides and who has control over the infrastructure. That is called deployment models. There are 4 important infrastructure models. Cloud infrastructure model is also called as cloud deployment model. Called as is a deployment model. Cloud infrastructure model is also called a type of clouds, called as there are 4 types of cloud deployment models. Very, very important. Public cloud, private cloud, and hybrid cloud, community cloud. Those are called types of cloud deployment models or infrastructure models. So this is about the types of clouds. If you see, first one, public cloud. So public cloud is available for public. It is made available to the general public or a large industry group and is owned by an organization selling cloud services. Everybody can access this cloud. That is called public. The short form is a P2SC. Private cloud operated solely for an organization. Hybrid cloud is a combination of private and public, composition of 2 or more clouds, private, community or public, that remain unique entities but are found together by standardized or proprietary technology that enables data and application probability. So 50% private cloud and 50% public cloud combination is called a hybrid. Community cloud is nothing but shared by several organizations and supports a specific community that has shared concerns. That is called a community cloud. So deployment models are also called as a types of clouds. If you see, private cloud is also known as internal cloud and enterprise owned or released. Private cloud is infrastructure cloud operated solely for a single organization, whether managed internally or by a third party and hosted internally or externally. Private cloud is infrastructure operated solely for a single organization. Example, MS-Azure, Salesforce.com, Amazon S3 and EC2. Public cloud is also known as external cloud and is sold to the public mega scale infrastructure. The public cloud is available for public use and alternatively for a large industry group and is owned by a service provider. Less secure than private clouds. Google, email or Dropbox, Facebook, etc. Hybrid cloud is a combination of 2 or more clouds. A hybrid cloud is a composition of two or more clouds, private and public community, that remain unique entities but are bound together, offering the benefits of multiple deployment models. A hybrid cloud increases the flexibility of computing. Example, MS-Azure, Salesforce.com, IBM Blueprint Cloud. Community cloud is nothing but is also known as external cloud and shared infrastructure for a specific community. Community cloud shares infrastructure between several organizations from a specific community with common concerns like security, compliance, jurisdiction, etc. Whether managed internally or by a third party and hosted internally or externally. Example, health cloud, e-government cloud, social networks, etc. So what is the difference between public and a private cloud? See here, public cloud hosted at a service provider site, private cloud hosted at an enterprise or a service provider site. Supports multiple customers, supports only one customer. And public cloud supports connectivity over the internet, does not utilize shared infrastructure, supports connectivity over the internet, connectivity over provided network or fiber or the internet. Public cloud suited for information that is not sensitive. It is suited for information that requires a high level of security. Public cloud can be cheaper than private cloud. Private cloud is costlier than the public cloud. Cloud computing services are three types: SaaS, PaaS, IaaS. The short form is a SPI. A variety of services are available as software as a service, including file storage, backup, web-based email, and project management tools. Cloud services are also called as a delivery models. Cloud services are also called as a delivery models. It consists of software as a service, platform as a service, infrastructure as a service. So first one is a software as a service, software deployment model whereby a provider licenses an application to customers for use as a service on demand. Platform as a service, optimized IT and developer tools offered through platform as a service as for database and testing environment. Infrastructure as a service, on-demand, highly scalable computing, storage and hosting services. If we see delivery models are also called as a service models. So software as a service cloud examples are Google Apps, Gmail, Salesforce.com, etc. Platform as a service cloud, you can have Google App Engine, Infrastructure as a service cloud, you can call it as Amazon EC2 and data centers, etc. Cloud computing architecture. It is a structure which refers to the components and subcomponents required for cloud computing. These components typically consist of front-end platform, that is fat client, thin client, mobile device, etc. Back-end platforms like servers, storage, data center. You can include here data center. What is meant by data center? Data center is nothing but collection of high integrated servers network-based. A cloud-based delivery and a network. Internet, intranet and internet. Internet is a network of networks. Intranet is a within the local area network we have given internet facility. Intercloud means network of the network clouds. Combined, these components are called as cloud computing architecture. Cloud computing architecture is a structure which comprises the software and hardware components integrated with each other is called cloud computing architecture. There are majorly 5 components such as cloud consumer, cloud provider, cloud auditor, cloud carrier, cloud broker. These are the 5 components we can see in this diagram. Cloud computing architecture according to National Institute of Science and Technology. Cloud consumer who are using cloud, end users like us. I am using Google App Engine, I am using MS-Azure, I am using IBM Bluemix Cloud for my own application. That is called cloud consumer. Cloud provider, nothing but Microsoft is providing MS-Azure. Facebook Cloud, they are providing Facebook related information. Cloud provider. And cloud broker means is performing service intermediation, service aggregation, service arbitration. Three responsibilities is performing cloud broker. Then you can see cloud auditor is auditing the total consumption of the data in the cloud environment. Cloud auditor performs security audit, privacy impact audit, performance audit. The bottom line, we can call it as cloud carrier. Cloud carrier is nothing but, this cloud carrier is nothing but is performing various activities in this cloud computing architecture. These are the 5 components of cloud computing architecture. If you see cloud consumer is a person or organization that maintains a business relationship with user service from cloud service providers. Cloud provider is a person or organization or entity responsible for making a service available to service consumers. Cloud carrier, the intermediary that provides connectivity and the transport of cloud services between cloud providers and cloud consumers. Cloud broker, an entity that manages the use, performance and delivery of cloud services and negotiates a relationship between cloud providers and cloud consumers. Cloud auditor, a party that can conduct independent assessment of cloud services, information system, operations, performance and security of the cloud implementation. Virtualization is the creation of a virtual rather than actual version of something, such as an operating system. Operating system is an interaction between user and password. There are 2 types of operating systems we can see: Windows based operating system and command based operating system. Windows based operating system uses Windows operating systems, Windows 10, Windows 12, Windows 14, etc. And the command based operating systems like Unix, Linux, SUSE Linux, Fedora Linux, Kali Linux, etc. So a server or a storage device or network resources. Virtualization uses software that simulates hardware functionality to create a virtual system. If you see the diagram, physical hardware, hypervisor, VM. VM is nothing but virtual machine with help of hypervisor and created from the data center, physical hardware. Cloud security. Cloud computing security is a major issue in cloud computing. It refers to a broad set of policies, technologies, applications and controls utilized to protect virtualized IP, Internet Protocol, data application services and the associated infrastructure of cloud computing. There are three types of cloud security issues: data level, host level, network. So in order to protect data level, what type of antivirus software and antivirus firewalls we are using? That you need to find out right now which cloud is number one under data level, host level of a existing organization. Like you are a existing customer of your own organization, like you are using server. In that server you are storing huge volume of data. By using antivirus firewalls, you are protecting that data in host level. Network level, how you are providing a security mechanism at the network level. Maybe intranet, internet, intercloud. Those are the network level. See the diagram. Protects data stored in cloud computing environments from theft, deletion and leakage. Protective methods include access control, firewalls, personalization testing, documents. Whereas a virtual private network not using public interconnect connections, tokenization. So these are the issues of cloud security: host security, data security, network security. And because of this cloud security, we may get loss of data loss of control, lack of trust, multi-tenancy. There are various algorithms in order to increase cloud security. We are using AES, DES, RSA, proxy, firewalls, two-way authentication, belief logic. These are the various methods, tools and techniques we are using under cloud security. So cloud case study, you can call it as under software as a service, number one cloud is Salesforce.com. Salesforce.com CEO is Mark Benoit. And in order to develop web applications, we are using Salesforce.com. And the cloud name is, company name is Salesforce. Cloud name is Salesforce.com. CEO is Mark Benoit. Introduction: Salesforce.com is used to develop various web applications, call center applications, business applications. Then cloud architecture, which comprises the software and hardware components and the connections among them. Like there are services, features, advantages, applications, pictures or videos, software, file version, URLs, references, and case studies. White papers, which is published by the industry people. Google App Engine comes under Platform as a Service Cloud. These are the 12 points you need to understand of Google App Engine. Company name is a Google and its cloud name is a Google App Engine. CEO is a Sundar Pichai. Why we are using Google App Engine? In order to develop web application, call center application, and various applications, and followed by the following points. Then the last one is MS-Azure. It is a Platform as a Service Cloud. It is from Microsoft company. CEO Satya Nadella is from Anantapur, from Andhra Pradesh. So MS-Azure is a number one cloud under Platform as a Service Cloud. And Amazon is a infrastructure as a service cloud. Okay, Jeff Bezos is a CEO of Amazon. Jeff Bezos. Company name is a Amazon. Its cloud name is Amazon S3 and EC2. CEO is Jeff Bezos. Introduction: it provides a service to the customers. So these are the 12 points you need to cover, and I'm going to give you assignment presentations right now. With this one, I'm closing the cloud computing subject. So cloud computing is the latest technology under cyber security. You must know it. So whoever not subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel and listen the videos and write your own comments. Just go to YouTube and type my name, Dr. Asadi Srinivasulu. You will get a number of videos on cyber security, big data, cloud, data sciences. Now, last class, Nayan Palkar and Veena and one more girl, she explained what is her name. 3 members explained. Then we will start newcomers once joined. And one more student, what is her name? Nayan Palkar. Manashwini, very good. So now I am expecting another candidate today. Please explain 5 questions. Yeah, please share your screen.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Who's that?
Pravalika,
Yeah.
sir.
Pramalika, share your screen. Nayan, you didn't share your PPT in the group. I told you. Remaining students, they can follow.
Sir, I already shared, sir.
You shared? Okay.
Yeah, sir.
I didn't see. Pravalika, you make it full screen and introduce yourself and explain.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
My screen is visible, sir?
Yes, it is visible.
Yes, sir.
Please introduce yourself.
Good morning, everyone. I am Pravalika. Now I am going to explain about cyber security, Python programming, cloud computing, network security. First, sir, whole definition, types, or only tools and techniques?
No. Complete presentation you can explain.
Okay, sir. First, let's see the definition of cyber security. Cyber security is the practice of protecting computers, servers, mobile devices, electronic systems, networks, and data from malicious attacks. It is also known as information technology security.
Yes. Explain.
Types of cyber security. Network security. It refers to a set of rules and configurations to protect network traffic and data. Application security. It focuses on keeping software and devices free of threat. Information security. It protects the integrity and privacy of data, both in storage and transit. System security. It safeguards the system and OS from malicious intrusion, modification, and virus. Web security. It protects the web application from security breaches from unauthorized personnel. Mobile security. The protection of all gadgets associated with wireless computing like smartphones, tablets, and laptops. Next, basic concepts of cyber security. So there are 3 concepts: confidentiality, integrity, and availability. First, let's see the definition of confidentiality. It is a protection of information in the system so that an unauthorized person cannot access it. Next, integrity. It means that data or information in a system is maintained so that it is not modified or deleted by unauthorized parties. Next, availability. It is one of the 3 basic functions of security management that are present in all systems. Next, let's see the tools in cyber security. Network security monitoring tools. These tools are used to analyze network data and detect network-based threats. Next, encryption encryption tools. Encryption protects data by scrambling text so that it is unreadable to unauthorized users. Next, web vulnerability scanning tools. These software programs scan web applications to identity security vulnerabilities, including cross-site scripting, SQL injections, and part transversal. Next, firewall tools. Top firewall security management suites include Tufin, AlgoSec, FireMon, and RedSec. Next, penetration testing tools. Penetration testing, also known as pen testing, simulates an attack on a computer system in order to evaluate the security of that system. Next, techniques in cybersecurity. Antivirus software and updates. When faced with the enormous task of securing your business, it's easy to forget about the basics. Next, firewalls. A firewall acts as a barrier between your safe internal network and the horrors lurking in external networks. Backups. Regularly and automatically back up all important business data. Passwords. Let's be real, passwords can be hassle. It's hard to come up with a strong one, even harder to remember what it actually is. Next, multi-factor authentication. Multi-factor authentication or two-factor authentication. VPN. Public Wi-Fi is risky, and using a public network by accessing private business accounts put your entire organization at risk. Next, employee security training. If you read any of our other blog posts, you will know by now that we are a little obsessed with security training. So in this diagram, we see also 7 techniques. Next, Python programming. Definition. Python is a high-level interpreted general-purpose object-oriented programming language. Features of Python programming. It is easy to learn and readable language, interpreted language, dynamically typed language, open source and free, large standard library, large community support, platform independent graphical user interface. These concepts of Python programming. Strings. In Python, strings contain alphanumeric values that are usually enclosed in single or double quotation marks. List. It is used to store or organize data in a sequential order. This data can be string, numbers, or iterables like a list. Dictionaries. A dictionary is a Python collection that stores data as a key value base. Tuples. A tuple is another data collection type in Python. It is also used to store and organize data in the form of a list. Next, tools in Python programming. Ideally, it is a Python's integrated development and learning environment. It is a default editor that comes with Python. Sublime Text. It is one of the most popular code editors for programmers, supporting almost all platforms. Atom. It is a tool that is a free and open source text and source code editor. Jupyter Notebook. It is an open sourced web-based application which allows you to create and share documents containing live code, equations, visualizations, and narrative text. Spider. It is an open source, powerful scientific environment written in Python, built especially for data science. PyCharm. PyCharm IDE supports Python and code written in SQL and other similar database languages along the line. Next, techniques in Python programming. Web development. Django, Pyramid, Portal, Tornado, Flash, Web 2.5. Next, GUI development. PKlinter, PyObject, PyQt, PySite, Kiwi, WX Python. Scientific and numeric.
శ్రీలత మీరు షేర్ చేసిన
SciPy,
దాంట్లో
Pandas, IPython.
నవ్యది
Next,
వాట్సాప్
software
నెంబర్
development,
కనుక
Wakeboard,
నవ్య వాట్సాప్ నెంబర్ కనుక
Roundup, system administration, Ansible, Sol, OpenStack, and Snosh. Next, I take it for examples 2 programs here. In place of swapping 2 numbers, first we are initializing x and y values 10 and 20. Let's bring that 2 values 10, 20. Swapping means we are reversing, right? In place of x we take y, in place of y we take x. Next, print x and y. The output we get first printing we got 10 and 20, and next swapping we got 20 and 10. Next we are printing print string n times. N equals to 4. We are 4. And A is equals to, we take Python. We are initializing. Sorry, I take it caps. There is a mistake. Next, print A n times. We are taking n equals to 4. So we are printing Python 4 times. Python, 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 Python.
Very good explanation, Amma. Yeah.
Next, computer networks. Definition. Computer networking refers to interconnected computer devices that can exchange data and share resources with each other. Types of computer network. Local area networks, LANs. LANs connect computers and peripheral devices in a limited physical area, such as a business, office, laboratory, or college campus, by means of links that transmit data rapidly. Wide area networks. WANs connect computers and smaller networks to larger networks over greater graphical areas, including different continents. In this diagram, we can clearly show what is the difference between LAN and WAN. Concept of computer network. There are 7 layers of OSI model. OSI stands for Open Source Interconnection. Physical layer. It is responsible for transmitting and receiving data over transmission. Data link layer. It defines the format of data on the network. Network layer. It decides which physical path the data will take. Transport layer. It is responsible for delivering messages between network hosts. Session layer. It is responsible for establishing, maintaining, and terminating the sessions. Presentation layer. It is responsible for converting data into standard format. Application layer. It is a human-computer interaction layer where applications can access the network services. Next, tools in computer networking. IP scanner. Having an IP scanner is a priceless in a network environment, especially when we don't have login credentials during boot. Speed test. Websites like speedtest.net help us to determine how much bandwidth we have in and out for our network. Netstat. At the netstat dot, its utility is especially helpful on servers and hosts that can run their own firewalls like SQL Server or Apache. Whois will give us details about who has registered a particular domain name and often includes contact details for the registrator. NS lookup. It is a great utility for 2 things: locating the IP addresses associated with a domain name and checking to see the DNS resolution in working for our host. Technique of computer networks. Local area network. A LAN is a network of devices connecting across short distances, all located within a single defined area. Wireless local area network. A WLAN can be considered a subcategory of regular local area networks. Wide area network. Instead of connecting local devices, a WAN connects multiple smaller networks over larger distances. Virtual private network. A VPN offers a unique combination of privacy and remote access. Virtual local network. VLAN. A VLAN is a subnetwork that takes groups of devices on a larger network and creates a virtual LAN for those devices, eventually separating them from the other devices on the network. Next, cloud computing. Let's see the definition. Cloud computing is the delivery of different services through the internet. These resources include tools and applications like data storage, servers, databases, networking, and software. Types of cloud computing. Private cloud. Private cloud is also known as internal cloud. It's an infrastructure operated solely for a single organization. Example: MS-Azure, Salesforce, Amazon. Next, public cloud. It is also known as external cloud and it is sold to a public megascale infrastructure. Example: Google's Gmail or Dropbox. Next, hybrid cloud. Hybrid cloud is a composition of 2 or more clouds, private, public, or community, that remain unique entities but are bound together, offering the benefits of multiple deployment models. Example: MS-Azure, Salesforce, IBM, Lookout. Next, community cloud. Community cloud is also known as external cloud and shared infrastructure for specific community. Example: health cloud, e-government, and social networks. These concepts of cloud computing. Software as a service, platform as a service, and infrastructure as a service. Software development refers software as a service. Software development model whereby a provider licenses an application to customers for a use as a service on demand. Next, platform as a service. Optimized IT and developer tools offered through platform as a service for database and testing environments. Next, infrastructure as a service. On demand, highly scalable computing, storage, and hosting services. Next, tools in cloud computing. Cloudability. It is a financial management tool for analyzing and cloud expenses happening across an organization. Clouding. It is a tool. This tool is designed to assist corporate IT from over purchasing Amazon cloud resources. Next, Cloud Hub. It is an integration platform as a service where you can deploy sophisticated cross-cloud integration applications in the cloud, create new APIs on top of existing data sources, and much more. Agility platform is an integrated control point that provides governance and security across an enterprise cloud applications. Next, Informatica. It is an industry-leading processing tool used for ETL to extract, transform, and load data. Next, techniques of cloud computing. Virtualization. Virtualization is the process of creating a virtual environment to run multiple applications and operating systems on the same server. Next, service-oriented architecture. Service-oriented architecture allows organization to access on-demand cloud-based computing solutions according to the change of business needs. Next, grid computing. It is also known as distributed computing. It is a processor and architecture that combines various different computing resources from multiple locations to achieve a common goal. Next, utility computing. It is the most trending IT service model. It provides on-demand computing resources, computation, storage, and programming services via API, and infrastructure based on the pay-per-use method. Next, information security definition. Information security protects sensitive information from unauthorized activities, including inspection, modification, recording, and any disruption or destruction. The goal is to ensure the safety and privacy of critical data such as a customer account details, financial data, or intellectual property. Next, concept of information security. Confidentiality. It means information is not disclosed to unauthorized individuals, entities, and processes. Integrity. It means maintaining accuracy and completeness of data. Availability. It means information must be available when needed. Next, tools in information security. NMAP or otherwise known as network mapper. An auditing tool used by InfoSec professionals to perform an audit for various OS-based network systems. Next, Sparker. Next, Sparker is the most accurate automated tool that can be used to find various vulnerabilities in various networking and operating systems. Next, Retina. The Retina is not just a simple web application tool through which you can find a list of potential vulnerabilities in security networks and related systems. Next, White Hat. White Hat is a robust tool that brings into account the use of various tools, software, and other pen testing fundamentals, all of which together can help to create a safe working environment throughout the software development lifecycle. Techniques of information security. Identifying the risk. It is crucial for managers to be able to identify their most important assets and what kind of damage could be done to their business as a result of cyber attack. Basic information security protocols. One of the most important requirements is to ensure the use of strong passwords. Password should be minimum of 12 characters long while being easy for the user to remember, but it's very difficult for a cyber attacker to simply guess it. Next, preventing account breach. A breach of customer data such as a payment credentials and password cloud be devastating to any business, including startups. In order to identify a ripple SQL injection attacks of this nature, then the strongest web firewalls
Next, Amma. Pravalika. 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 Pravalika.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Please. Yeah. Finish it. We start a new concept for newcomers.
Okay, sir. Network security encompasses all the steps taken to protect the integrity of a computer network and the data within it. Network security is important because it keeps sensitive data safe from cyber attacks and ensures the network is usable and trustworthy. A network is composed of interconnected devices such as computers, servers, and wireless networks. Many of these devices are susceptible to potential attackers. Successful network security strategies employ multiple security solutions to protect users and organizations from malware and cyber attacks like distributed denial of service. Next, concepts of network security. Protection. Configure systems and network correctly and ensure there are no vulnerabilities. Detection. Identify dangers before the attacker does damage or spreads throughout the network. Reaction. Quickly eliminate threats and return the network to the safe state. Next, network security tools and techniques. Access control. If a threat actors can't access your network, the amount of damage they will be able to do will be extremely limited. Anti-malware software. Malware in the form of viruses, trojans, worms, keyloggers, and spyware, and so on is designed to spread throughout computer systems and infect networks. Anomaly detection. Network anomaly detection engines allow you to analyze your network so that when breaches occur, you will be alerted to them quickly enough to be able to respond. Application security. Application security helps establish security parameters for any applications that may be relevant to your network security. Next, data loss prevention. DLP technologies and policies help protect staff and other users from misusing and possibly compromising sensitive data or allowing threat data out of the network. Next, email security. As with DLP, means data loss prevention, email security is focused on shoring up human-related security weaknesses. Next, firewalls. Firewalls functions much like gates that can be used to secure the borders between your network and the internet. Next, intrusion prevention systems. Intrusion prevention systems, also called intrusion detection, constantly scan and analyze network traffic or packets so that different types of attacks can be identified and responded to quickly. Next, network segmentation. Network segmentation allows you to grant the right access to the network traffic while restricting traffic from suspicious sources. Next, web security. Including security tools, hardware, policies, and more, web security is a blanket term to describe the network security measures businesses take to ensure safe web use when connected to an internet network. Thank you.
Very good. Yeah, very good, Pravalika. Very good explanation. You can share this PPT in the group.
Okay.
And yeah, remaining students, be ready for next presentation. Now I am going to start for new students.
So can I share my screen?
Yeah, who is that?
No, sir, Sushmita.
Yeah. Sushmita, please share your screen.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, please.
Is my screen is visible, sir?
Not yet. I think yeah, it's giving. Yeah, please. Introduce yourself and explain.
Yes, sir. Hello everyone, my name is Sushmita and I'm starting with assignment. The first topic is cyber security. The cyber security is fundamentals of cyber security. Cyber security is the practice of protecting computers, mobile devices, servers, electronic systems, networks, and data from malicious attacks. Cyber security is a very broad term but is based on the three fundamental concepts known as the CIA, the confidentiality, integrity, and availability. The CIA model is designed to guide the organization with the policies of cyber security in the real time. of information security. It's also known as information security, information assurance, or system security. The next is branches of cybersecurity. There are 6 branches of cybersecurity: the network security, system security, application security, information security, web security, and the mobile security. The next is cybersecurity tools. The cybersecurity tools are Wireshark, Metasploit, Chain and Able, Kali Linux, Intruder, Defender. The first one, Wireshark is a free and open source cybersecurity tool that can analyze the network protocols and can be used to enhance the network security. Metasploit, available through the free and paid versions. Metasploit uses a penetration testing to identify any vulnerability in the entire network or system and can enable the organizations to run security tests and data analysis, which can enhance overall security. The Chain and Able. Among the earliest cybersecurity tools to be released in the market, Chain and Able were originally used to discover vulnerabilities in the Windows OS. This tool can also be used for recovering password and recovering the VoIP communications. Kali Linux. Kali Linux is among the most popular penetration testing tools with the over 300 features for websites and servers. The Intruder. Intruder, among the popular network vulnerability scanning tools, Intruder is a top-rated cloud-powered cybersecurity tool that is suited for both small and large businesses. Bitdefender. Companies looking for the complete IT security against the cyber attacks can choose to go with the Bitdefender, total security tool that has been a global leader in cybersecurity systems since 2001. Used in over 38% of comprehensive security solutions, Bitdefender has host security features, including social network protection, privacy firewall, secure online banking, along with anti-phishing features. The next is cybersecurity technologies, artificial intelligence and deep learning. Artificial intelligence is a quite buzzword these days. Ever wondered how one can apply AI to cybersecurity? Well, the application is in the way similar to the working of two-factor authentication. And the next one is behavioral analytics. With the whole Facebook data breach frame, one is well aware of use of data mining for behavioral analysis. This technique is widely to target social media and online advertisements to right set of audience. Interestingly, behavior analytics is being increasingly explored to develop the advanced cybersecurity technologies. The third one is embedded hardware authentication. A PIN and password are no longer adequate to offer foolproof protection to hardware. Embedded authentications are emerging technologies to verify a user's identity. Blockchain cybersecurity. Blockchain cybersecurity is one of the latest cybersecurity technologies that's gaining momentum and recognition. The blockchain technology works on the basis of identification between the two transaction parties. Similarly, blockchain cybersecurity works on the basis of blockchain technology's peer-to-peer network fundamentals. Zero trust model. The Zero Trust model, as the name itself states, this model of cybersecurity is based on the consideration that the real-time network is already compromised. By believing that one cannot trust the network, one would obviously have to enhance both internal and external securities. The second topic is Python. Python is a high-level general-purpose programming language. It's designed the philosophy emphasizes code reliability with the use of a significant indentation. Python is dynamically typed and garbage collected. It supports multiple programming paradigms, including structured, object-oriented, and functional programming. Built-in language features: the variables, data types, basic maths, operator precedence, string operations, functions, conditional statements, classes, and objects. Python programming language is developed by Judo Van Rossum. The Python can be executed in two ways. There are ideally and scripting way. Ideally is integration, development, learning environment. The second way is scripting way. The Python data types are integer, character, float, double, etc. The Python collections are arrays, lists, sets, tuples, and dictionaries. The operator precedence. The order of execution of mathematical operations in the Python is similar to the order used in a conventional mathematics. In a math, there are three general operator precedence priority levels: exponent and roots, multiplication, division and modules, and addition and subtraction. The short form of operator precedence is BODMAS. P stands for brackets, O stands for orders, D stands for division, M stands for multiplication, A stands for addition, S is subtraction. And the Python tools. There are a number of Python tools. I selected 4. The Skittler is an open source tool designed for data science and machine learning. It is extensively used by developers, machine learning engineers, and data scientists for data mining and data analysis. One of the greatest features of Skittler is its remarkable speed in performing different benchmarks on toy data sets. The second one is Keras. Keras is an open source, high-level neural network library written in Python. It is highly suited for machine learning and deep learning. Keras is based on the 4 core principles: user-friendliness, modularity, easy extensibility, and working with Python. It allows you to express neural network in the easiest way possible. Since Keras is written in a Python, it can run on top of the popular neural network frameworks like TensorFlow, CNTK, and Keno. The third one is SciPy. SciPy is an open source Python-based library. It was used for scientific and technical computing. It is extensively used in the field of mathematics, science, and engineering. SciPy leverages other Python packages including NumPy, IPython, and Pandas to create a library for common math and science-oriented programming. Thus, it is excellent tool for manipulating numbers on computer and generate visualized results as well. The fourth one is Selenium. Selenium is a undoubtable one of the best Python development tools. It is open source automation framework for web applications. With the Selenium, you can write a test scripts in many other programming languages including Java, C#, Python, PHP, Perl, Ruby, and .NET. The Python technologies or trends are artificial intelligence, data science, web development, machine learning, embedded application, game development, and business applications. The third topic is computer networks. A computer network is a set of computers sharing the resources located on a provided by network nodes. Computer networking refers to interconnected computing devices that can exchange the data and share the resources with each other. A computer network, also referred to as a data network, is a series of interconnected nodes that can transmit, receive, and exchange the data, voice, video traffic. Examples of nodes in a network includes servers or modems. Computer networks commonly help endpoint users share resources and communicate. Two basic network types of local area networks and wide area networks. The 7 layers of OSI model are physical layer, data link layer, network layer, transport layer, session layer, presentation layer, and the application layer. The computer network tools: ping, tracelog or tracer, ipconfigure, ifconfigure, nslookup, and whois, netstat, putty, teraterm, subnet, and IP calculator, speed test, IP scanner. These are the computer network tools. And the computer network technologies are artificial intelligence and machine learning, robotic process automation, that is RPA, edge computing, quantum computing, virtual reality, and augmented reality, AR and VR, blockchain, Internet of Things, IoT, big data analytics. The fourth topic is cloud computing. Cloud computing is a model for establishing ubiquitous, convenient, on-demand network access through the internet to a shared pool of configurable computing resources that can be rapidly provisioned and released without minimal management effort or service provider interaction. The cloud computing is an internet-based computing derived from a definition in network diagrams, that is TCP/IP. Cloud is an internet-based development of applications and services. Cloud computing is a multi-tenant architecture. Cloud computing is a 543 formula. That means 5 characteristics, 4 infrastructure models, and 3 major services. The cloud computing is a form of distributed computing. The heart of cloud computing is a data center and virtualization. The cloud characteristics are on-demand self-service, broad network access, resource pooling, rapid elasticity, measured services. There are 4 types of cloud deployment models: public cloud, private cloud, hybrid cloud, and community cloud. The cloud computing services are software as a service, platform as a service, infrastructure as a service. And the cloud computing tools. Cloud Zero, Cloud Cost Intelligence Platform. This is a SaaS platform. Amazon Web Services, Infrastructure as a Service, IaaS. The Google Apps Cloud Application Platform, Cloud Spark, Cloud Migration Tool, the latest Cloud Security Tool, Kubernetes, Container Orchestration and Management, Ansible, Cloud Infrastructure Automation, Symantec, Cloud Monitoring Service, Service Analytics, Big Data and Analytics Tools, Notion, Document Collaboration and File Sharing, Carbonite, Data Governance Platform, Informatica, Cloud Data Integration Platform, and the Cloud Computing Technologies. Virtualization. Virtualization is the process of creating a virtual environment to run multiple applications and operating systems on the same server. The virtual environment can be anything such as single instance or a combination of many operating systems, storage devices, network application servers, and other environments. The second one is service-oriented architecture. SOA. Service-oriented architecture allows organizations to access the on-demand cloud-based computing solutions according to the change of business needs. It can work without or with cloud computing. The advantages of using the SOA is that it's easy, platform independent, and it is scalable. The third one is grid computing. Grid computing is also known as distributed computing. It is a processor architecture that combines of various different computing resources from multiple locations to achieve a common goal. In a grid computing, the grid is connected by parallel nodes to form a computer cluster. These computer clusters are in different sizes and can run on any operating system. Utility computing. The utility computing is the most trending IT service model. It provides on-demand computing resources and infrastructure based on the pay-per-use method. It minimizes the associated costs and maximizes the efficient use of the resources.
Okay, Sushmita, you can stop right now, and tomorrow I will take in your class. Because new students are there, I am going to start with practicals for them. Okay, thank you. My dear students, see here, today I am going to start a practical session on Python programming. Who are the new candidates? Please listen carefully. So there are 4 modules we are discussing in Python programming. Sir, why we are learning Python programming? In order to implement web applications or cyber security applications, call center applications, business applications. So Python is suitable especially for cyber security applications. So in built-in language features like I'm going to explain variables and data types, basic mathematical operation. Hello, my screen is visible. Hello, sir, my screen is visible.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
And new student, please open anyone new student. I am going to start practicals for you. So this is anyone new student with laptop. Please. Who is that man?
షేర్
Please share your
ఎక్స్ప్లెనేషన్.
screen. I'm going to start with the practicals for all of you. Yeah, share your screen. How to download software and how to start practicals. I'm going to start with you. Some person called man, he raised hand. Please share your screen. Who is that? Yeah.
ఓకే.
So man, yeah, please share your screen. Yeah, it's coming. So do one thing. Just open Google browser. Please open Google browser.
సార్ షీఈ్ లహరి సార్, మ్యామ్ లహరి.
Lahari. Please share your screen. Yeah. Please share your screen. Yeah, please share your screen. Please talk. Please unmute yourself. Please unmute yourself. Unmute yourself.
Hello, sir.
Yeah. Now share your screen. Share entire screen. Open Google Chrome. Open Google Chrome. Yeah, please share your Lahari. Share your screen. Yeah, please share your screen. Lahari, what happened to you? Or anyone newcomer with a laptop, please share your screen. I'm going to instruct how to install software, and I will explain 2-3 programs. Based on that one, you can execute your own. Can anyone share? She's not doing.
Yes, sir, I'm sure.
Yeah, please share.
Yes.
Please share on my screen. Full entire screen you can share. I will guide you how to install software and how to execute practicals. Yeah, very good. Yeah, share your screen. Share your screen. Yeah. Lavanya. Yes.
Visible, sir?
Yeah. Open Google Chrome. No. Share entire screen.
Sir, someone has been removed from.
Please share your screen. Please share your screen. Please share your screen. Yes. Yeah. Then open Google Chrome. Once you shared, open Google Chrome. Yeah. Google Chrome, type Python software. Yeah. Now your screen is visible. Python software. Correct. Python software. Enter. Maximize this Google Chrome. Why you are making small? Yes. Just go to Welcome to Python. First URL. Yeah. Click that one. Welcome to Python. Yes. Now go to downloads. There itself. Yeah. Python 3.11.1 download right side. Now go to downloads. Yes. Yeah. Click that one. It takes only 1 second, 30 seconds to download. Yeah. Now double click that one. Yeah. Double click that software. Yeah. Wait. Wait. It is appearing. Yeah. Have you done entire screen? Yeah, now below add path is there. Come down. Yes, select add path. Correct. Select add path and install now. Now do install above. Yes. Click that. Yes, it takes 1 minute. Then we will start programs. Yeah, unmute yourself, Lavanya. Unmute yourself.
Sir, I have downloaded, sir. Now I should open the software.
No, it is installing. Wait. Somebody is already doing. See here, screen is visible. Yeah, wait, 30 seconds. It is almost all done. Wait. Now listen my instructions. Do according to my instructions. 3.11.1 is installed. Now wait, show me. Yes, wait. 3.11.1. One second, it is almost all installing. It is a 28 MB file. Yes. Now go to run command. Close this window. Close. Go to CMD. In the search button, go to CMD search button. The search. The below search button is there in your laptop. Yes. Left below search button. Not this one. Yeah, come down. Below in left side, search command. Go to search command. Not here. Not in the website. In your laptop, there is a search button.
Okay.
Yeah, there you type CMD. You talk continuously whenever you are getting doubt. Yeah, click that one. CMB. Left side, left side. Yeah, left side. Yes, click that one. Yes. Now, yeah, maximize. CLS, clear screen. CLS, clear screen. Go to top left corner. Yeah, enter. CLS after that, enter. Yeah, yeah, right click. Yeah, correct. Right click. I need to increase the font actually. Yeah, right click. Top left corner, block. Yeah, right click. Yeah, go to properties. Below, go to properties. Yeah, there is a font. Top. Not there. Top. Yeah, top. Font is there. Yes, click font. Select 28. Next, OK. Yes, OK. Now that clear that one. This is you clear the screen. Yes. Now type Python. Enter. Python. Small letters. Python is a case sensitive programming letters. All small letters. Python, enter. Correct. Now what is the version you have installed? 3.11.1. Perfect. Now write a program hash. Now write on hash. Write a Python program. See, all of you. She is doing same way you can execute, all of you. Write a Python program. To perform all arithmetic operations. Write a Python program to perform all arithmetic operations. Enter. A is equal to 3. A is equal to 3, enter. B is equal to 4. See here, screen. Lahari, you can see. Enter. C is equal to A plus B. Enter. D is equal to A minus B. E is equal to A star B. A multiplication. Yeah. F is equal to A slash B. G is equal to A mod B. A mod B. Now check the value C. What is the C value? 7. C, enter. Just C. C, enter. 7, correct. D, enter. -1, correct. E, 3, 4 are 12, correct. F, check all the values. And G, yes, perfect. So you have executed all arithmetic operations using the static input. Now same program with the dynamic input we will do. Okay. Now do import IMPORP. Import space OS. Enter. OS dot system of SY. No. Why only one dot? System SYSTEM system. Parenthesis begin. Double quotes begin. CLS. Double quote closes. Parenthesis closes. Enter. So it clears the screen. Now write down hash, write a Python program, next program, write a Python program to perform arithmetic operations using dynamic input. Write a Python program to perform arithmetic operations using dynamic input. Okay. Now A is equal to int of int. Wait, why you are pressing enter? A is equal
aptitude
to
test క్రియేట్ చేయవా నాకు వైఫై రావట్లేదు
A is equal to int
Wifi
int
రావట్లేదు.
int of parenthesis begin input of int input parenthesis begin, don't give space, parenthesis begin, double quotes begin, enter value of A, write up, enter value of A, enter value of A, colon, double quote closes, no, enter value of A, colon, double quotes closes, parenthesis close, enter. Yeah, enter value 3. This is called a dynamic input. System will ask enter. B is equal to, next read B value. Same way, B is equal to int of input of enter value of B. Enter. B value is 4. Next, perform the same operation. C is equal to all operations. No. C is, no. Check the outputs. C is equal to A plus B. No, remove. Same operations. This is done. C is equal to A plus B. C is equal to A plus B. D is equal to A minus B. C is equal to A plus B, enter. D is equal to A minus B. E is equal to A star B. Yeah, enter. Check the values. C, enter. Correct. Now same programs we will execute in a scripting way. This is you are executing in a IDLE, integration development learning environment. Okay, now we are executing scripting way. Okay. Now quit QUIT parenthesis begin parenthesis close. Enter. Yeah, CLS clear screen. Yeah, notepad. Now we are executing same programs. 2 programs we have executed. Same programs we are executing in a scripting way. Notepad, type NOTEPAD, notepad, space, add dot py. Yeah, enter. Yes, say you want to create a file, yes. Right, hash, increase the font. Go to edit, increase the font. Go to edit, there is a font button below. You can increase, here 10 is there, you can keep 16. Okay, close it. Close it. Yes. Yes. Again open. Notepad. Notepad. Space. No, not dot. Add.py. Enter. Yeah, write down. Hash. Write a Python program. Write a Python program to perform all arithmetic operations. Write a Python program to perform all arithmetic operations using static input. Yeah, write down. A is equal to, enter. A is equal to 3. Enter. B is equal to 4. C is equal to A plus B. B is equal to A minus B. Same thing. E is equal to A star B. F is equal to A slash B. Now print. Print. Parentheses begin. Double quotes begin. Addition is equal to. Addition equal to double quotes closes. No. Comma. No. Comma. C. Parenthesis close. Enter. Print subtraction. Same way you can write. Print subtraction equal to parenthesis double quotes closes comma D. Print parenthesis begin, double quotes begin, multiplication. Print same division, next modular division. Yeah. Now save, Control S. Control S. Minimize. Control S. Minimize. Yeah, left side, minimize. Yeah, left side. That is maximize. After that, no, where are you going? notepad file maximize first. Yeah, maximize. There is a left side. Small minus. There maximize you have done there. Yes, minimize. Yes. Now Python space add.py. Enter. See, you are getting addition. That is called compilation. Python space add.py. You are getting addition equals 7, subtraction, multiplication, division, modules. Now, second program. Notepad space add dynamic.py. File name you can give add dynamic, single one. Add dynamic.py. Correct. Dot. Enter. Yeah, save. Yes, I want to create a cache. Write a Python program. Write a Python program to perform all arithmetic operations. All arithmetic operations using dynamic input. Do A is equal to, you have done already int of input of no, not this is static input. A is equal to int parenthesis begin input of parenthesis begin double quotes begin enter value of A. Enter value of A colon double quote closes parenthesis close parenthesis close. Next B value. Enter value of B. No, not C. Remove C. Now you got A and B values input. Now C is equal to A plus B. D is equal to A minus B. C is equal to A plus B. D is equal to A minus B. E is equal to A star B. Yeah, enter print. Parenthesis begin. Print. Parenthesis begin, double quotes begin, addition is equal to. Double quotes begin. Addition is equal to. Double quote closes, comma. C. Correct. Print, subtraction,
చేస్తా ప్రిన్సీ అనే క్యాండిడేట్ ఎవరికైనా క్రియేట్ చేశారా ఆల్రెడీ రిజిస్టర్ అంటాం అది నేను షేర్ చేయాలి శ్రీలంక షేర్ చేసినట్టు
Division is equal to F. Now Control S, save the program. Control S, minimize. CLS, clear screen. CLS, enter. Now Python space add a dynamic dot event. So there is an error where line number 2. Go to line number 2. You forgot a comma. Open that notepad file.
Completely fresh, right?
Below. Yes.
Okay.
Second program. Not this one. Yeah.
Please stay a little bit for the update.
Second program. Not this one. Not this one. Second program. There are 2 files are there. You close this one. Go to close this one. Above you close. Yes. Yeah. This program. So you forgot 2 parentheses. A is equal to asked. Only 1 parenthesis you kept. Yeah. You can close last 1 more parenthesis. Yes. Below also. Keep parenthesis. Yeah. Below also. Save. Control S. Now execute. CLS, clear screen. Python space. Add dynamic py. Yeah, now system is asking the value. You can give any value, no problem. A value, next B value, S. So this is the way you can execute. Python can be executed in 2 ways, IDLE and scripting way. Okay, next program. Can you write homework?
Yes.
Same. Yeah, write a Python program. Write down homework. Newcomers. Now you have seen the execution of Python programming. For newcomers, write down 5 programs of homework. Please practice today. Not here. You can write in your notepad or somewhere. You can practice in your notebook. You can write. Write a Python program. Write a Python program to generate prime numbers up to 100. Write a Python program to generate prime numbers up to 100. Next, second program, write a Python program to check that given string is palindrome or not. Write a Python program to perform the given string is palindrome or not. Next, third program. Write a Python program to perform GCD of a given two numbers. Write a Python program to perform GCD of a given number. Next, fourth program. Write a Python program to perform matrix addition. Write a Python program to perform matrix addition. Write a Python program matrix multiplication. These are the 5 programs. Can you read, Lavanya? Read 5 program homework. Read. Read what I have given.
First program is write a Python program to generate prime numbers up to 100. And second program is write a Python program to check the given string is palindrome or not. Write a Python program to perform GCD of a given number. Write a Python program to perform matrix addition. And write a Python program to perform matrix subtraction.
Very good, very good. Tomorrow, can you show me these 5 programs?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So, yeah, that's all from my side. Sir will share you PowerPoint presentation, I mean today's training session, and you practice it, tomorrow we'll meet. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay. Any doubts? Any doubts? My dear participants, please ask me. Any doubts?
No, sir.
Okay, then we are closing the session.
Okay, you can leave the session now. Thanks for joining.